If your printer front panel displays a message that the reclamation filter needs to be replaced, follow these steps to replace the filter. At the prompt, touch Replace. Open the agent door of the printer. Check the wayfinding LED to know which filter needs replacing. Open the filter access door by pushing the top left corner. Unlock the latch, pull it up, and then pull out the old filter. Remove the new filter from its package, then install it in the slot. Close the lid, the latch, and then the access door. Verify the wayfinding LED is off and then close the agent door. Touch Finish and Check and then OK on the printer front panel to resume printing.